Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at Layer 1 coins by market cap. We're going to take a look at the ones under 1 billion, right? You don't want to be, looking at coins as 1 trillion, right? Look at 1 billion coins, anything that's under 1 billion. So yeah, it has the chance to actually grow, right? So we look for chart patterns for this one. So anyway, let's get straight into it. We're gonna start with Gnosis at number 1, followed by Klaytn, Ronin, ASTR, Enjin Coin, ZETA, Aleph, Kadena, and then we'll end it with Radix at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Gnosis against BTC. So for Gnosis, we are above the skinny pink line. So we're in a bullish trend, and we expect the trend to continue higher. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for Gnosis. Gnosis against USD. We had a target over here, and the target has already hit. We identified a very nice squeeze over here. And then, bam, we blasted off, right? And eventually we hit it, right? How long was it since breaking out to hitting 111 days, which is around 4 months? And eventually, ta-da! Here is about 182%. So all targets are hit for Gnosis. Anything else is a bonus. Ta-da! Right, we're very close to the highs though. So I feel like the end may not be too far away. So I don't think now is the time to be going to Gnosis. Now is the time to be exiting Gnosis. Klaytn. Okay, so Klaytn looks pretty good. Reason being, if you look at Klaytn, okay, you won't see it on the BTC pair, right? Klaytn is still in a bearish trend. We're still under the skinny pink line. The hope is that we start seeing bullishness and a break above the skinny pink line, right? Which will confirm the bullish trend for Klaytn BTC. Against USD, Klaytn is above the skinny pink line, and if you look very closely, we are in kind of a potential inverse head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, maybe a right shoulder over here. Ta-da! Then we head towards potentially $1.16. Target acquired. More upside, yeah. The thing about Klaytn is once you break, let's say if we overcome these highs, there's zero resistance. We just slash through this like butter towards 116 once we clear this. So yeah, I think Klaytn is gonna do pretty well eventually. Right, let's just do this. Let's pull a resistance line across. And notice that, yeah, potentially we could get something like this. A consolidation over here. Then maybe a summer run for Klaytn, right? Of course, things can always go wrong. We can drop back under the skinny pink line for sure. But if things go well and we consolidate here, we're expecting 116 for Klaytn. Next would be Ronin. Ron against BTC. Here we are for Ron. Okay, let's look at it on CoinX. Anything for Ron? No. Are we bullish? Yeah. We're above the skinny pink line. But we're coming back down, so it's like, hey, yo, bro, are we gonna reverse back up? Not too sure. Ron against USD. If you look at Ron against USD on Gate, we're very overextended, right? We're close to the all-time highs on Gate. Is this the end? Are we gonna start a big correction, or are we gonna continue higher? There's nothing much for us to work with for Ronin. ASTR BTC on Binance. Okay, it's not doing well against BTC, but if you cut across, look at this. Values 1, value 2, we could be getting a third value over here as we hit higher. Potentially for ASTR. So yeah, ASTR against BTC. Against USD. Okay, ASTR has kind of hit the highs. So we might go a little bit higher. Clear the highs over here. But I suspect that the end is not too far away. Right. ASTR, the bottom was over here. 9th of June, 2023. It's already been 269 days since the bottom. Do you think we can still go higher? Sure. But there's already a loss of strength. Right. And you can see that the volume is already rising. So I suspect that we might go a little bit higher. But, I don't think there's anything for us to do for ASTR. So we move on to Enjin Coin. Enjin against BTC. Here we are for Enjin. Anything for Enjin? Nope. Still under the skinny pink line. Still in a bearish trend. Against USD, if you look at Enjin, we're above the skinny pink line. You can pull a resistance line across, right? There's a breakout here. So the expectation is for us to consolidate here a little bit before heading higher, right? There is still potential for more upside. If I had to guess, we'll hit this noisy area. We'll take a break for a while, and then we continue higher for Enjin. How much higher? Yeah, $3, potentially $3. But we'll have to take things one step at a time. We are already overbought for Enjin at this moment, so a consolidation over here would be welcomed. How will it look like? We don't know. How long? It'll probably take several weeks. My guess is several weeks. So you don't go into things when they're overbought. You go into things when they are oversold. And you see a double bullish divergence. You see this? Double bullish divergence came for many coins in October. And yeah, it came for Enjin as well. But there's just nothing much for us to do here. So be careful about rushing in when things are overbought. Core against USD. Let's look at it on Gate. Okay. So for Core, we're knocking on the skinny pink line. Knock, knock. Who's there? Core Dow. Anything for us to work with? No. Nope. So we're going to move on with ZetaChain. Zeta against BTC. Here we are for Zeta on Bitfinex. Are we in a squeeze? Woohoo! We could be squeezing though. I don't know. We'll see. The moment we clear these lows, that's it. We move on. Zeta against USD. Okay, let's look at it on Gate. Hey, bro, what's this? What's this? Let's look at it on Bybit. Anything for Zeta? Doesn't look like it. Anything for us to... Yeah, no. Okay, maybe we may get an inverse head and shoulders over here. Maybe something like that. Maybe. Again, it's pure guessing at this point of time. We could, of course, head lower as well. The chart pattern just really isn't that obvious yet, so we're going to have to move on for Zeta from now. For now. AZERO! Okay, AZERO looks really nice. Okay, let me tell you what I mean. AZERO against BTC. Okay, you're not going to see it here. AZERO against USDT. Okay, on Gate, you'll be able to see it. AZERO is in a beautiful squeeze. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful squeeze. Super beautiful squeeze. If you look very carefully, I think that more likely than not. Yeah. Very nice squeeze. Right. I'm going to assume this is an A, up for a B, right? Down for C, D, and E. I think we're going to break out soon. Right. I suspect we're going to be breaking out soon. We might consolidate a little bit. Oh, this will be even sweeter. And then once it breaks, that's it. We're expecting it to hit towards $5.17. Ta-da! Target for AZERO. So yeah, we're at 152. So this is another 300%, I think. Oh no, it's 200%. We have 200% more to go for Aleph 0. But the thing about Aleph 0 is that it's a privacy coin. Not privacy, yeah, it's a privacy category as well. It's a layer 1, but privacy, I don't know about that. So yeah, the narrative is privacy. So I'm like, oh my god. Okay, if it was AI or gaming, you know, it's privacy. So maybe AZERO is doing something different, right? I mean, just evidence by looking at the chart pattern. This is accumulation. I think a breakout is soon. It's gonna come soon, more likely than not. Look at the volume rising. The whales have been buying here, so they're preparing for a move for AZERO. Right? My expectation is 200%. Sure, I can go more than that. We may go to double digit, but we'll take things one step at a time for AZERO. But the chart pattern is really nice. Very, very nice chart pattern. Kadena! KDA against BTC. Here we are, Kadena. Anything for us to work with? Okay, we're above the skinny pink line, which is good. So the hope is that we have some sort of a squeeze before heading higher. Right, before we broke out, if you look very carefully, you can see valleys, right? And there was something like a squeeze like that. Bam! We broke out. And now the hope is that we squeeze again before another breakout for KDA BTC. Against USD, KDA is above the skinny pink line. So we are already in a bullish trend, and we could still go yeah, more. Right now we're only at 168. So the expectation is for us to go to potentially 650. So there's still a lot of meat more for KDA. 282%. 282%. The assumption is that this will be a 1, down 2. We're in the midst of a 3. 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. We get a 4 and a 5. So if with 1 is 300%, we're expecting with 3, yeah, to be more than 300. So I don't know, close to $5, I think, sub $5. So I think KDA is going to do well. But the thing is, there's no chart pattern accompanying it. Where is the chart pattern? There's none. Normally, if you see coins, right, if it drops down, it goes sideways for a while before going back up. Nope, KDA is a down, and then zoop, we're up. So, but okay, it's very bullish. Anyway, we're very overbought at the moment, so I would assume that we could be taking a break, right? There's a shooting star over here. And you can see long wicks at the top, means selling has been happening for KDA. So the best thing that could happen is we consolidate a little bit before heading higher. Radix, XRD, BTC. Okay, let's look it on beef next. Oof, it's not looking good, bros. Bros and C's, it's not looking good. Yeah, nope. XRD against USD is probably going to be reflected on the USD pair. Yep, nope, it's not looking good. Should we see a break above the skinny pink line? And should we see something like this, right? A very clear A, B, C, D, E. Yes, we may consider it, but we will be late because of this. This is very scary. Yeah, because we took out all of these lows, so it takes some time to build a reversal. Sure, we can just go off from here, but yeah, no, we're gonna play it safe and we're gonna wait for something clearer first for Radix. So there's some gems around here, very high quality chart patterns, privacy coin, right? But it's like, it makes you think twice, right? Klaytn is also looking good. So yeah, there's some opportunities over here if you know how to look closely. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Layer 1 coins. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have yet to catch it, check out yesterday's, okay, what was I doing yesterday? Launchpad, yes sir, Binance Launchpad. If you have yet, please do check it out, right? See you in the next one. Ta-da!